realised that he wanted to be a creative writer. This really was the impetus behind the creation of Middle-earth, and the Council of London coincided with Tolkien inventing his first Elvish language.
I think something which struck him like a bolt from the blue was picking up Charles Eliot's Finnish grammar while he was an undergraduate, because this is a language which really is not at all like anything he'd come across before.
Arvelee ajattelevi, pitkin päätänsä pitävi, kenpä maita kylvämään, toukoja tiittämään.
And it inspired him to devise Quenya, the first Elvish language.
Tolkien was also very intrigued by Welsh, a language which he liked very much, and he produced another Elvish language, which is Sindarin, which in some ways is rather like Welsh in its phonetic structure.
Mae'r byd wedi newid. Teimla fe fan y dŵr, teimla fe fan y ddaear, fedrai ei aroglu.